Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. In case of any preparation for competitive examinations, you are at the right place, that is LegalB. LegalB provides you content as well as strategic preparation videos for various competitive examinations after your law. And iExamB offers you online courses that are available on our website for examinations like SEBI Grade A Legal Officer, IPPS SO Law Officer, RBI Grade B, etc. ये सारे एग्जाम के कोर्सेज आप डेमो एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं ऑन आवर वेबसाइट. कोई भी क्वेरीज हो यू कैन रीच आउट टू अस on hello@iexamb.com और कॉल अस ऑन दिस नंबर 9205524028. इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में भी आप हमें रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB and download our app for 50% faster jobs preparation. मैंने रिसेंटली एक वीडियो सीरीज स्टार्ट की थी दैट इज रिलेटिंग टू डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर राइटिंग. डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर राइटिंग सेबी ग्रेड ए लीगल ऑफिसर एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा रेलिवेंट रहेगा एंड आप इसमें सैम्पल आंसर्स देखकर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं या फिर आप इन क्वेश्चंस को नोट डाउन करके अपना आंसर लिख के कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि क्या क्या कमियां हैं, क्या क्या आपके डाउट्स हैं. आप इन वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें ज़रूर रीच आउट कीजिएगा. वी विल ट्राई टू हेल्प यू एज सून एज पॉसिबल. What is the art of writing descriptive answers? I have started with this content and I have made around 8 question and answers. This is the 9th one which I am providing you in this particular video with a sample answer from different topics. आज का क्वेश्चन होगा whether partner by holding out is liable under an LLP Act. पार्टनर बाय होल्डिंग आउट एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है. ये कंसेप्ट पार्टनरशिप एक्ट में भी है और लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप एक्ट में भी है. इट इज देयर इन बोथ द लॉज. बट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट? होल्डिंग आउट इज क्वाइट रिलेटेड टू योर कंडक्ट एंड योर रिप्रेजेंटेशन. ये कंसेप्ट हम लोग एस्टॉपल से भी कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं. सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ कंसेप्ट है ये. बट एक्चुअली यहाँ पे उन्होंने पूछा है वेदर ही इज लाइबल अंडर LLP एक्ट. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर्स लिखने के लिए आपके पास एक वर्ड लिमिट होती है. तो क्वेश्चन में जो पूछा है आपको स्पेसिफिकली उस डायरेक्शन में ही अपना आंसर फ्रेम करना है. आपको इंट्रोडक्शन, कंक्लूजन ये सब तो बताना ही है, लेकिन टू द पॉइंट भी रहना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है डिस्क्रिप्टिव सेक्शन में. As they have asked you about the liability, we will focus more on the liability, but definitely we have to start with the introduction and meaning first. The Act provides that. Which Act? The LLP Act. Any person not being a partner in an LLP who by words spoken or written or by conduct represents himself or knowingly permits himself to be represented to be a partner in an LLP is known as partner by holding out. He is liable to any person who has on the faith of any such representation given credit to the LLP, whether the person representing himself or represented to be a partner does or does not know that the representation has reached the person so giving credit. So the partner by holding out is actually not a partner in an LLP, but whatever representation he has made is of such a nature that he seems to be a partner of an LLP. And on the basis of that representation, if somebody keeps faith and gives credit to him along with the LLP, then definitely the partner will be liable for it. He is known as partner by holding out. He is not actually a member of LLP but represents himself, and also he does not deny. Not only represents himself but also not deny at a proper time. That means it is willful representation from his side. Section 29 of the LLP Act talks about these words which I have added in the introduction. Actually specific words of the section, if you are able to reproduce, then you can reproduce it in the answer itself. यहाँ पे सेक्शन नंबर भी मेंशन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. स्टूडेंट्स की क्वेरीज होते हैं कि MCQs है, क्वेश्चन सेक्शन नंबर पढ़ने हैं या नहीं, लेकिन डिस्क्रिप्टिव सेक्शन में इम्पॉर्टेंट सेक्शंस तो आपको लिखने ज़रूरी होते हैं. That shows that you have a thorough knowledge of the subject. So all the important topics of the acts, you should pick it out and remember the important sections at least of the laws if you have to attempt the descriptive section. यहाँ पर आपने mention कर दिया section 29 है, उसका content यही है कि it defines particularly and then it talks about the liability also. So the partner As you can see over here, word, spoken, written, that is the same thing. Person representing himself or represented to be a partner does or does not know that his representation has reached the person so giving credit. This is also an important point. वर्ड लिमिट हो तो आप इसको एलैबोरेट भी कर सकते हो, दैट द पर्सन हु गिव्स द रिप्रेजेंटेशन and the person who has on the faith of his representation invested or carried out business along with the LLP and along with him, it does not matter that he knows him or not. अगर उसने रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया एंड वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन जनरल पब्लिक में जाने के बाद कौन उस पर रिएक्ट करता है, ये डिपेंड करता है ऑन द सिचुएशन, एंड द पर्सन इफ रिएक्ट्स ऑन इट एंड पुट्स faith on that representation, the person making representation does not even know him, but he has offered his representation to the general public, so he carries liability for it. ये भी एक बहुत important point है. Also, where any credit is received by the LLP as a result of such representation, the LLP shall, without prejudice to the liability of the person so representing himself or represented to be a partner, be liable to the extent of credit received by it or any financial benefit derived thereon. LLP is also liable for the financial benefit or credit that it has received. It is not that only the partner by holding out will be liable, but LLP also will be liable for that. The concept of holding out is not applicable to a deceased partner. Section 29 clause 2 talks about this point also. The continued use of deceased partner's name shall not make his legal representation or representatives or his estate liable for any act of the LLP that is done after his death. So deceased partner पे इसका इफेक्ट नहीं जाएगा. अगर deceased partner है, डेथ हो चुकी है, उसके बाद जो भी LLP के एक्ट्स हैं उसका इफेक्ट उसके लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स या उसके एस्टेट पर नहीं जाएगा. So we can safely conclude here. It is to be noted that the rights and liabilities of the partner by holding out shall be limited to representation, and he cannot make any claim or any business interest with the LLP further. It is limited only to the representation that he has made. It does not automatically make him a partner in entire LLP. This is what is very important point again which we mention in the conclusion. Conclusion में ऐसा कोई हटके point अगर हम इंक्लूड करते हैं तो उससे हमारा आंसर काफ़ी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव हो जाता है, बिकॉज इन इंट्रोडक्शन वी ट्राई टू मेक अ बैकग्राउंड, वी फोकस मोर ऑन द मीनिंग. In conclusion, we are in a position to mention some such kind of important points and conclude our answer. In case of queries, do reach out to us. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExambee. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the features of our course or of our app. Full course access is available on our iExambee's app. Live classes, quizzes, current affairs. Daily you get the quiz and current affairs. And आप offline access भी कर सकते हैं अपने कोर्स को. Content download करके रख सकते हैं मोबाइल पर. So do check it out. And in case of any queries, reach out. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, LegalBee. Thank you everybody.